Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign, and this is for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aquarius, let's see your messages. First card, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Ace of Cups, the Hangman, Two of Wands. Let's pull all cards, then I will explain. Ace of Swords, King of Wands, the Devil, and King of Pentacles. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, the Empress, the Lovers, Four of Pentacles. So let's pull some more cards. Your person energy, what they are up to. Aquarius, intensity, Knight of Wands, transformation, celebration, courage, strength, and integration. So this is your person energy. So let's see. So things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune with Ace of Cups and Hangman and Two of Wands. I think you're thinking about your person a lot, or something about a lot, because you're spiritually awakening. I think the love for your person is overflowing, definitely. Or for some, you are doing self-love. There is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Ace of Swords with King of Wands. I think you stand by your power this time. I think the Devil, Capricorn, I think your person may be obsessed with you, or you may be obsessed with your person. You want long-term stability with your person. But I think your person not expressive. They are holding back their feelings, even though they have feelings for you. The Lovers, definitely both have intimacy with each other. And the Empress, I think they are seeing like you, Empress. You stand by your power, definitely, because there is you. King of Wands means, see, you stand by your power. Your person want to offer something to you, but it is very slow energy. Knight of Pentacles, because they are in this mode right now. Four of Pentacles, very stubborn. Your person is very stubborn, Aquarius. So Knight of Wands, definitely. Knight of Wands means they are in and out your life. They are not constant, and stability is not there. I think that is the issue here. When they want, they will come. When they can't handle the situation, they will gone. So that is the issue. But your person undergoes some transformation here. Integration, temperance, patience, and balance is needed. There is no balance in this connection. And celebration means Three of Cups. They want reconciliation if you are in separation. For some, it could be third party situation also. Courage, strength, yes. Definitely they are gaining their strength to come towards you. After the transformation, definitely they realize you both, and they want a new beginning with you. So let's pull some cards about connection, where it is headed. Yeah, Six of Cups. Wow. Eight of Wands, Seven of Cups. One more. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, one person in this connection still juggling. I think Seven of Cups, that person is still in confusion state, but you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. With Six of Cups and Eight of Wands, definitely there will be some communication in near future. Things are moving very fastly in your relationship in near future. After the transformation of your person, definitely your person will open up to you, and they will express their feelings to you, but it is very slow moving energy. You have to be patient, because integration means temperance. Definitely you have to be patient. I think your person may be fantasizing about you a lot. Here, lot of a fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of water energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of water energy is also here. So I think you're waiting for your person and thinking about them to come towards you. Definitely they will come, but it will take time, because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy, and your person maybe undergo some transformation state. Then they will realize you both. Until you will wait for your person, or you move towards your life, then when time comes, definitely your person will enter your life again. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely this connection will level up after some time, after your person transform. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.